How do I end a group FaceTime call?
Hello there. Today we're diving into how to efficiently and smoothly end a group FaceTime call. This is a crucial part of managing your calls and ensuring that everyone on the line knows when the conversation has ended. So let's dive right in.
Why would I want to end a group FaceTime call?
It's important to remember that ending a group FaceTime call is necessary when you've completed your conversation. Not only does it free up your device's resources, but it also ensures clarity for all participants that the call has concluded. This is particularly important in professional settings, where it's crucial to clearly signify the end of a meeting or discussion.
How do I end a group FaceTime call?
Ending a group FaceTime call is quite simple. Follow these steps. 1. Wake up your iPhone. If your screen has gone to sleep during the call, tap it lightly or press the Wake Sleep button to wake it up. 2. Return to the FaceTime app. If you've navigated away from the FaceTime app during the call, tap on the green bar at the top of your screen or open the FaceTime app from your app list. 3. End the call. In the FaceTime app, you will see a screen showing all participants. Look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a big red button with a phone icon. This is the End Call button. Simply tap the End Call button to disconnect from the group FaceTime call. Remember, when you end the call, it ends for everyone. This means that if you're the call initiator, make sure everyone has finished speaking before you hang up. And that's it. You've now learned how to end a group FaceTime call. With this knowledge, you can smoothly wrap up any video call, ensuring clear communication with all participants. I hope you find this information useful in managing your digital communications better. Until next time, stay connected.